magnetic flux and its magnetic Maxwell's equation. Same, if I consider the same surface here, same surface, let us consider a closed surface of a shape in a magnetic field. It is kept in a magnetic field. In a magnetic field means like this. Magnetic field is like this magnetic field, like this magnetic field. So outward to inward, outward to inward, inward to outward, moving in one direction. So moving this, that's like this. Okay, charges are moving one into the other. The surface may or may not be enclosed the surface of magnetic field. Such a magnetic conductor with a current, etc. So we know that the magnetic flux line always follows the closed path only. It start and end, closed path only. Okay, the entire surface of this flux is equal to total flux is equal to, okay, total flux is equal to, okay, what we call outward is equal to uh, inward. Okay, how much total flux is there means total flux of outward is always equal to total flux of inward. This is there. Okay, so what is the positive and what is the negative here? The outward whatever is the flux, that is taken as a positive, outward taking as a positive. Okay, and inward is taking as a negative. Therefore the net Gaussian surface in that time will get, for example, minus 20 charges plus 20 charges means it will be 0. Therefore sometimes the textbook will write as a Gaussian surface is always equal to 0. It will make 0. Or in the same thing you will write in the vector form. In vector form means, okay, the del means what, you know, dou psi by dou x, dou psi by dou y, wherever it is in the x y z direction is in dot into b. B is the magnetic field, is always equal to 0, because we know outward flux is equal to inward flux, magnetic flux will be 0. Therefore delta b dot b is equal to 0. This is one of the Maxwell's equation out of 4 equation. This is one. Now I will take another one definition. The current density, you know all. What is the current density? Current density is denoted by J. Okay, whereas I is the current, you know, in the lower classes in the electrical subject also. The current density, how you are going to define it? The current per unit area. Okay, whatever the conductor is there, the current per unit area is called as a current density. Current unit area of a cross section of the imaginary plane, whatever that may be, held normal to the direction of the current. So this can be written in the form J is equal to J vector J is equal to rho of P to the V. Okay, rho of P is the density of the current, or charge density we can say. This is the charge density in the current. Okay, V is the velocity, what velocity is moving. So therefore J is equal to charge density particular velocity charge, rho V is equal to V. This is the, okay. And another one, Ampere circuit law, or we can call it Ampere's law. What is the Ampere's law? See, for example, you consider the same one surface. Okay, one surface. What is that? The, for example, x surface, y surface, and yeah, x surface, y surface, and z surface. If you take one point here, one P is a point. Okay, P is the point here. So for these P, okay, a conductor current is passing through the point means it will go like this. Okay, for example, a b c d. This is a loop. Okay, current loop. This is a loop. Okay, again it will come. So here when current is passing through the circuit, then there is a magnetic field is there, no? Okay, it's like, okay, are you able to see this one? Okay, now consider a point in a magnetic field. Magnetic field is the, what we call the magnetic field is a H is a magnetic field. Okay, the curl of the magnetic field, curl means it is a circulating, that is called a curl. Okay, curl, whenever curl comes, circulation means it is a curl. The curl of the magnetic field, I imagine the rectangular loop ABCD, that ABCD, rectangular loop ABCD around the P in place in plane parallel to the xy plane, in plane parallel to the xy plane. Okay, this is parallel to the xy plane, this y plane. Okay, y plane only. If in such case, okay, in such case, if I am going to consider, if, okay, Jz is the, what is the J? J is the current density. Wait, current density. Jz and Jz are the current density, and Az is the unit density. If I choose the one component, Jz is the current density and Az is the unit density, then unit vector along the what direction? This is z direction. This is it. Then finding the integral of h. H is a magnetic field h, and element is what? dl over the closed surface along a b c o d. A is called the curl. Okay, along the, what is that beta? A B C D, A is called, what is the circulation? That is called curl of H magnetic field. Okay, first one. Okay, that is xy plane equal to Jz into Az. Okay, vector A. Jz is the current density for the plane of xy. Okay, and Az is the unit vector. Okay, the subscript 1 indicates that, okay, it is going to show that this curl is the plane of the parallel of xyz. Similarly, how it is there means like that, yz means will curl of h vector is equal to 2, you will write, is equal to y2, 2 what will write here? X and ax will write. And then curl of another one h, what is that? 3 equal to j z over x over then j y into a of y. So these are the some curl directions planes of x y z. Here okay, curl of h1, curl of h2 and curl of h3 are the component of 1 2 3 are the component of, okay, curl of the h around the p. How many minutes around the
7?
Around the p. Okay, therefore this around the p, therefore, okay, we can write, or we can take the use of the curl definition. We know the curl of h cross is equal to del into h, first equation. Okay, first class. Okay, curl is always del cross h, divergence is dot is there. Okay, gradient means multiplication is there. We know that curl h is equal to del dot h. Del dot means dou y by x by dou phi by dou x is there. So the same thing. Okay, del curl of this is equal to so this is jx ax plus jy ay plus jz az. Okay, this or wait del of cross h is equal to, once again, okay, j, where j, why j is means jx jy jz jx into unit vector is all is considered as a j. Therefore, okay, del in cross h is equal to j. This is the current density of vector components of ix jx jy jz. Okay, this equation is known as Ampere's circuitous law. This equation is known as Ampere's circuitous law, and also it is the one of the Maxwell equation. Two Maxwell equation is completed. One of the Maxwell equation. Stop.